Hello friends, welcome to CAD modeling. Today we are going to sketch another one object of CAD exercise. So let's start. Select top plane, go to sketch. Select circle, draw it on origin point. Draw it another. Okay. Select smart dimension. Select this circle and make it 48 mm. Now select this circle, make it 31.5 mm. Okay, select again circle, draw it here, draw another one. Now select center line, draw it here. Okay, now select trim entities, trim all these lines. Now select smart dimension, choose this circle and make it 15 mm. Choose this smaller one, make it 6 mm. Okay, now select line, draw it from this point up to this. Now select offset entities, select this line, make it 3 mm. Okay, now select this line, this origin point. Okay, make it 1.5 mm. Okay, now select trim entities, select these lines. Now select smart dimension and select this point and this center point and make it 90 mm. Okay, now select this point and this point, make it horizontal. Okay, now select line, right from here up to this point. Okay, now select offset entities, select this line and make it here 30 mm. Okay, now select again line, right from this point up to here. Now select smart dimension, select this line and make it 12 mm. Now select offset entities, select this line and choose here 9 mm. Okay, now again select offset entities, select these two lines. This time make it here 21 mm. Now again select line and close all this open end. Okay, now exit the sketch and select extruded boss. Go to selected contour, select this profile, make it 45 mm. Okay, now again select extruded boss, select again sketch, go to selected contour, select this profile, make it 20 mm. Now again go to extruded boss, select this sketch again and select this profile and go to offset, give offset 4 mm and extrude it up to 9 mm. Okay, now select front plane, go to sketch, make it normal, select convert entities, select these edges. Okay, select this also, make it okay. Now select line, draw it from this point up to here. Now select trim entities, trim these lines. Okay, now exit the sketch, select this face, go to sketch, make it normal. Now select convert entities and convert this curve. Okay, now select line, draw it from here up to here. Okay, now select offset entity, make it up to 6 mm. Okay, now select smart dimension, select this line and this point, make it 3 mm, so it will come at middle. Select trim entities, trim this unwanted material, keep this arc only. Now exit. Now select this face, go to sketch, select convert entities, select this arc and click OK. See, one arc is created on this face. Now exit the sketch. Now select this face, go to sketch, make it normal, select convert entities, select this arc, click OK. Now select line, right from here. Okay, now choose offset entity, choose this line, make it reverse 6 mm. Now select smart dimension, choose this line and this point, make it 3 mm, so it will come at middle. Now select trim entities, select this unwanted material. Okay, now exit the sketch. Now select this face, go to sketch, choose convert entity and select this arc. Okay, the arc is created on this face. Now simply exit the sketch. Now select boundary boss command. In direction 1 select this profile, and in direction 2 select this arc, this bottom one and this upper one. Okay, now this bottom one. Okay, click OK. Our rib is ready. Now select front plane, go to sketch, make it normal, select circle, draw it here, draw another one, select smart dimension, choose this circle and make it 24 mm, and this one make it 13 mm diameter. Okay, now choose this point and this, make it 22 mm, choose again these 2 points. Now horizontal, make it 35 mm. Now select center line, draw it from here. Now trim this upper circle. Now select line and draw it from here. Okay, now close the profile. Now select smart dimension, select this line and origin point, make it 16 mm. Now exit the sketch. Now again go to extruded boss, select this previous sketch. Now select here from surface, choose this surface and reverse it and make it here 9.5 mm. Okay, now again go to extruded boss, select this previous sketch. Now select here from surface, this time choose this surface, make it here 9.5 mm. Okay, thanks for watching friends.